Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I've been constantly following up with the Panchayat. Panchayat secretary has assured me that my notice which was sent to them was also taken up for discussions. Necessary intimations in that regard will be sent to me. We will be given the follow-up action which is being followed. I can assure you one thing, the legal battle to now demolish the structure and raise it to the ground and restore the entire property to the way it was has started. I will see to it that along with the other protesters and people who have been associated with this, specifically Saved Old Goa Heritage and other protesters who have been still going on with their token strike, will get justice, and I will see to it that if there is any action which remains to be taken, it will be forced to be taken by the authorities by following due process of law, and we will see to it that the structure is demolished and the heritage of Goa is restored.